Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do slow motion in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to do slow motions in it, I'm gonna show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now, click on Video and click on New to start a new project. Now choose a video that you want to add slow motion to and click here to add it to your timeline. Here, to add slow motion to this video, simply select the video and scroll through the menus and choose the speed option. Now, decrease the speed from this slider just like this according to your need and play it to see the preview. Once you're happy with the slow motion, click here to save changes. And just like this, we can add slow motion to our normal speed video in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.